Good morning or afternoon. Thank you for taking the time today to join us. My name is Mohit Puri, and together with my colleagues at Retor's offices and partners, I extend a warm welcome to all of you. For an agenda on what you can expect over the next few minutes, we will share who we are and the value we deliver. This enables caregivers as yourself who are planning, preparing, and shaping a strong recovery for what the new normal could look like. Retoris offers the healthcare industry a premier cloud communication service designed and built for trusted and innovative patient care. One that is secure, reliable, fast, and intelligent, and positions you for optimal compliance, value, and service from day one. The relevance and efficiency of cloud-based communication channels in safe and timely care coordination and delivery has now led the industry, including governments, to further adjust payment systems in support. Now could be the right time for us to partner and ensure the frictionless flow of your communications across systems and channels, be it email, fax, SMS text messages, or EDI. We reliably integrate with a variety of systems and workflows, ERP, electronic health and medical records, laboratory information and document management systems, and multifunction devices. In this chart from Johns Hopkins Global Tracker for number of confirmed COVID-19 cases per 100,000 population, you see a trend for one country from each continent. While regional differences exist, including the potential for resurgence, the daily increase in aggregate new cases for major economies appears to be responding to flatten the curve efforts. This has alleviated healthcare systems being overwhelmed and allowed a gradual recovery. Nevertheless, healthcare is facing a sustained cash flow crunch from loss in revenue, having stopped elective surgery and procedures earlier this year, increased costs from medical supplies, acute care, and uninsured service volume, staffing and capacity building, including new remote capabilities. IT priorities have now shifted, and CIOs have moved into cost optimization, an estimated 5% drop in total IT budgets. Data center and devices would experience the largest decrease of 10 to 16%. Yet there are upward trends. Investment in cloud computing, initially estimated to grow at 17%, is now projected to grow at 19% and sooner. Automation for service efficiency, quality, productivity, and compliance will see an investment of nearly 200 billion. 85% of managers see major inroads in digital as necessary to stay competitive. Business resilience, new services with agility are the value drivers of a strong recovery. At Retoris, we diligently leverage our cloud resources, expertise, services, and products with a structured approach to deliver on your business, IT, and innovation priorities. We uncover value drivers specific to your organization, be it an improved provider and patient services experience from safe and compliant care that is enabled by timely, reliable, and real-time awareness of your communications, or cloud first with agility in innovation and digitalization, enabling your IT staff to focus on your core business and not be bogged down by maintenance, upgrades, and cybersecurity, or optimize budgets that accelerate recovery, freeing up capital for investment in new capabilities, be it more remote work, more online interaction, or automation. Let us follow up in the next few slides with a closer look at each. Improve provider and patient services experience. Care coordination across the continuum is essential to delivering safe and compliant patient care. It's about accessibility, deliverability, and reachability in communications that is enabled by Retor's special outbound and inbound mechanisms. A perfect mix of reliability, speed, and robust geographic coverage at cost-benefit ratios tailored to your requirement. With increase in remote operating models, providers and payers now need a practical mechanism for maintaining and validating their organization's compliance posture. Digitizing your communication in the cloud with robust security, privacy, and risk management allows you to assess, report, and stay current against all applicable regulations. With real-time awareness, you assure top-notch service levels with exceptions monitored for optimization. Our 24/7 communications platform is managed by a team of 350 plus highly trained and specialized staff with 100% of our own employees. Our global network of offices, partners, and data centers work in synergy to enable a resilient service with business continuity at all times. In this constrained spending environment, a growing focus on prevention, self-care, and value-based contracts will bring about lasting changes in the delivery and consumption of healthcare, including a reset in digital engagement for healthcare of the future. Strengthening your existing partnerships with reliable workflows and adhering to SLAs protects your reputation and positions you for the opportunities ahead. Cloud first with agility. Access to Retorse's world-class infrastructure almost immediately strengthens your customer experience, competitive position, and employee engagement. With data centers that are meshed to achieve high availability and failover, supported by active T1 carrier management and proprietary last mile excellence, your communication is delivered from origin to destination with the least friction. You could gain headroom of up to 10 to 30% in your existing budgets for hardware, software, and services, with a reduction in underutilization across capacities, environments, workloads, licenses, and end-of-life applications. Our services are designed for smooth application integration with ready APIs. For instance, with our intelligent data capture and validation, you can now smart route a document, extract and feed data directly into a variety of applications and formats for workflow and process automation on your digital innovation journey, for faster transaction times and higher service reliability. Optimize budgets and accelerate recovery. With Retorse's domain expertise and ready blueprints for design, build, and run, and continuous improvement, your in-house resource commitment for a successful migration to the cloud are minimal. With remote agile methodology, you are informed through daily scrums on progress and problems, sprint planning sessions for alignment on goals and scope of commit, and sprint reviews and retrospectives that celebrate accomplishments and reflect on opportunities. With fair price levels and a structure that includes free page credits, you have a risk-free positive advantage from day one of service enablement. You only pay per use. This improves your cash flow with an optimal total cost of operations. With cost transparency, you resolve visible and hidden costs of system customization, implementation, hardware upgrades, maintenance, and technical debt. In exchange for a scalable operating model where as your business grows, Retorus cloud services are available to meet or exceed your needs. Finally, with zero service interruptions linked to system downtime or network outages, you grow revenue with no missed referrals, authorizations, lab orders, results, prescriptions, or claims. This has earned Retorus the trust of leading healthcare organizations across the continuum for nearly 3 decades. Our value focus of optimal costs, innovation, and growth is even more relevant now for our clients, customers, and business partners. Let us look at one of our clients, a large laboratory and diagnostic services provider, looking to replace legacy fax and print solution for all employees to minimize process interruption, improve patient care, safety, and compliance, and enable data center consolidation. With migration to the Retor's cloud, we digitized their fax workflows on multifunction devices, provided cloud services with bidirectional communications, including number porting, enabled a web-based platform, including Active Directory integration, detailed traffic monitoring, and exception reporting for continuous optimization. This migration resulted in stronger business outcomes for this lab, more reliable and higher order intake for higher revenues, secure transmission with high resolution color faxes for improved patient safety, faster service delivery with digitization, and cloud benefits of cost, scalability, and agility from month one. This is our full suite of product and services with the Retorus Enterprise Cloud. I would like to draw your attention to the circle at the center of this slide with our 4 sectors: communications, secure email, and business integration platforms, all supported with process automation modules. Next, moving to the blue boxes on the top left, on the communications platform, you receive premium cloud fax services ready for business. We consolidate, digitize, automate, and ensure that your faxes always reach their destination while lowering your investment and process costs by 30 to 70%. Transactional email built for performance. Here you unburden your own infrastructure when sending emails from your applications and ensure high delivery rates with a high sender score in compliance with local data protection regulations and requirements. Enterprise SMS for direct communication to your patients, where you reach and ensure quick and reliable delivery on 99% of the world's mobile network. With enterprise broadcast, you contact many recipients directly from your web browser in a personalized way with minimum effort. Onto the green boxes, bottom left, the business integration platform. Here you achieve seamless exchange of healthcare data with our EDI and HL7 services and ensure that communication is efficient, secure, and optimized for your service delivery, supply chain, and other applications. The secure email platform, top right, where you achieve email and attachment encryption using established standards such as SMIME, PGP, and OpenPGP, connection via VPN or TLS that ensure multiple layers of protection for sensitive information. And finally, bottom right, where across the three platforms, you benefit from our process automation modules that identify the content and structure of documents, intelligently extract and validate data based on master data and business rules, and feed it directly into your applications. This high degree of automation enables your service and operations team to accelerate and scale workflows reliably, ultimately improving cash flow. We connect via our Retoris Enterprise Cloud a broad spectrum of customer operations to the left of this diagram, for example, digital workplaces, devices, multiple clouds, AWS, Azure, Google, and applications, to business partners, employees, devices, applications, and machines on the right side. Furthermore, via web portal or directly via API, customer operations get a feed into their monitoring systems or long-term archives. In closing, we would like to offer that with our value-driven innovation in healthcare communications, we at Retoris are here to help you emerge stronger and grow. Thank you once again for taking the time to join us today, and we look forward to speaking with you very soon.